materials that you will need for today are the following. You will need the free template that I included on this video, a black, white, and pink or dark pink colored papers, a roll of jute ropes or strings like this, and then you will need a puncher. Mine is a small one, I got it from the dollar store, a pencil, any kind of glue will work, and this is optional, a brush. Also, I almost forgot, you will need a scissor. So what you will need to do is you will need to trace all of the template into the colored papers that we have. So for the base, which is the head, mouse head, you will need to trace it into the black paper. And then the bow, you will need to trace it into the pink or dark pink paper. And of course, the letters needs to be traced into the white paper. And then just keep on watching on how I am doing it.
As you can see right now, I use the puncher to make a hole into this white paper. And those little circles, we're gonna use that and glue that to the Minnie Mouse bow later. So it will be like the Minnie Mouse bow. Alrighty, so we're done in tracing and cutting all of our templates. So the next step is, of course, we are going to glue this Minnie Mouse bow and letters into the Minnie Mouse head. So just keep on watching on how I do mine. So what I have here is I have a ruler and a pencil with the puncher. So what I'm doing is I'm measuring where I would like to put a hole into this Minnie Mouse head. This is only my way, but of course you can actually bullseye it. It depends on your preference. So yeah, just keep on watching. And then also forgot, after this we are going to glue all those little circles, white paper, into the bow itself. And so it will have the effect of a Minnie Mouse in it. Okay, so for the last part, since we have all the holes into the Minnie Mouse head that we have, you will need to get your jute rope or any strings that you have. As you can see here, I put like a tape at the end of the tip, just to make it sturdy when I'm putting it into the hole. And you have to put it in the front of the banner or the Minnie Mouse head, not at the back of it, so that the string will not gonna show in front of the banner. So yeah, just keep on watching. Again, this is the last part and last step that you need to do, and we're done. So there you have it, a very simple and easy to make Minnie Mouse themed birthday party banner. And thank you so much for tuning in today. In case you're not yet subscribed, please do so and hit that notification bell so every time I'll be uploading a new video, you'll be notified. So thank you so much and have a good day. Stay safe, guys. Bye.